Welcome to my viewers. Welcome to my day. This is my channel. What a nice day. Get some Robux. Watch this video from this day. Look at this nice toy. That's car keys. That's the movie we watch. Oh no, what happened to that car? It's going to crash into red. Oh no! Welcome to my robot collection. See my robots. Do you like it? Wow! This is the nice robots. Do you love it? Yeah, I love it. Look at those robots in the nice. I love those. Now the next one is coming forever. A gray one. The next one is the orange one. It's called Kahel. And green is birthday. It's the next thing about pink. Thanks for watching.